Good morning, Nursery. So today we're going to be reading another book for our book week, which is called Zoom Zoom Rocket. Let's have a look. And here's our book, Zoom Zoom Rockets. There we go. This book is very loved. Mighty rockets are good at zoom, zoom, zooming. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and lift off! Launching! Ooh! Up they go, zooming, blasting into space. Clever astronauts are good at guiding, watching the controls and waiting. Then, pow! Booster rockets firing, travelling deep in space. Look, can you see our astronauts? Lunar modules are good at tricky moon landings. They leave the spaceship swooping, descending, which means going down. Spidery legs ready for BAM! Safe landing, touching down in space. Look. So this is called a lunar module and it's moving down to land on the moon. Excited astronauts are good at moonwalking, bouncing, bounding. Oops! No falling. As they scoop up moon rock, carefully collecting, they can work in space. Look, there he is, bouncing and bounding, and he is collecting moon rock. Moon buggies are good at rolling. Round wheels turning, soft dust gripping across the Humpty Lumpty moon, bumpety bumping, driving up in space. Can you see? He's driving the moon buggy in space on the moon. Space shuttles are good at big loads moving. They hurtle to upwards, booming, thundering off to a space station for fast unloading, carrying tools through space. Space stations are good places for living. Somewhere for eating, working and sleeping. And whoopee! Weightless somersaulting. A home while up in space. So in the space station is the astronauts. And they're sleeping, they're working, they're eating their dinner, and they're doing somersaults. Bold astronauts are good at space walking. They have fun. Arms waving, slowly moving, almost dancing. And they can work building and repairing, floating up in space. Look, they're in space and he looks like he's flying and he's doing lots of work. Space satellites are good at round the Earth orbiting, which means going all the way around the Earth. Taking pictures for weather forecasting. Signals receiving and whiz to TVs beaming, circling up in space. So this is how we all watch our TV. The signals come from the Earth to the satellite and go back down to a different place for us to watch TV. Robot spacecraft are good at speeding. Powered by the sun, they keep on flying, reaching distant planets and even landing, moving fast through space. Wow, look at this. Robot spacecraft. Robot rovers are good at roaming. They trundle over Mars, searching, measuring. Red deserts, finding, and mountains, discovering. Exploring deep in space. Wow, this robot rover moves all around the moon and is discovering, trying to look for different things and new things. When the night has come and the moon shines bright, reflecting down on Earth our sun's great light. Become a space explorer, watch the stars in the sky, and look out for satellites just slowly gliding by. Can you see? There's a satellite. And there, it looks like a satellite. That's a robot. Travels through space. We've got the shuttle and the rocket. And looks like, that's a planet. And there's the Earth. Did you like that story? Have a look if you can remember the names that we found in this book. We learnt about a shuttle, astronauts, a rocket. Can you name the rest of them? Bye, Nursery.